Welcome back to my channel. If you are a fashion star looking for how you can promote your talent online, or if you are any normal person looking how to create a travel blog, or if you are any normal person looking out for how to create a fashion website for free, you are now in the right place. So we are going to use a site called Blogger, create a website for free. So click on search, go to Google and then search for blogger.com. Please search for Blogger, then click on this first link which takes you to blogger.com. Then if it is your first time, you have to just come here and sign in with your Google account, then click on create your first blog. So once you click on create your first blog, it will bring you to this page where you have to choose a name for your blog and continue setting up. So previously on this channel we have discussed how to create a magazine blog and also a travel blog. If you found those interesting, you can also check them out. There are links to them in the description. So now let's choose a title for this blog. I'm going to call it Fashion Tutorial. Then click next. Then we choose a URL for our blog, which will be the blog address that people can click on and then access this blog or this website. So I'm going to choose fashion, and see this blog address is not available. Someone already used this kind of address, so I'm going to go ahead and choose another one. Maybe let me add tutorial. As we see, this blog address is available and we can use it. So click on save. And now we have our brand new blog created. Now click on view blog here to see how the site is looking like. You can see nothing here, it is brand new, but it doesn't look all that good. So what we are going to do is to come to Google, search for B templates so that we can download a better looking template and actually use that for our blog. So search for B templates on Google and then it will bring you to this website. So B templates, then click on btemplates.com, then it will bring you to this website. Now once you reach on this website, we are going to search for fashion up here. So now we'll see very many different fashion templates that are free, so you'll be able to choose any of these that you find interesting to you. There are many of them. We see more than 6 pages here. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this one called Fashion Glamour. You can always click on the demo button here to preview how this template will look when you apply it on your blog. So this is how it will look on desktop, and if you click here you can actually see how it will look on a mobile phone. This is a tablet, mobile phone is here. So this is how it will look. So this looks good enough for me, and so I'm going to use Fashion Glamour for the purpose of this tutorial. So click on download, then free download. So it is now downloaded. Now I open my downloads folder and click on the Fashion Glamour, right click it, then I will extract it to the Fashion Glamour folder. As it is extracted, open it, and then you see there is a Fashion Glamour.xml and also there's a Fashion Glamour without slider. So you'll be able to choose which one of these you like. Back to our Blogger dashboard. Now go to the theme and click on customize. When you click on customize, it will bring you to this page, but this is not what we are looking for. Now we click on this down arrow, then click on restore. Now we are going to upload that file, so go to the downloads folder, fashion grammar. Then I'm going to use fashion grammar with the slider, the full template. Open, and then it will upload the template. Once it is uploaded, I can click on view blog again to see how it is looking like. So this is now how my website looks like. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and create our first blog post. So click on posts, and you see no posts yet. Then click on new post to create a post. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate some text for this post. So the title here is how to design your wardrobe. Then paste this one here. Then on the body of the post, I will add some text from here. Then press Ctrl V, paste it, and now we have our text. You can always click highlight any text and then format it. You can make it a heading, major heading, and it will become bigger. So you have a lot of tools up here. If you want to learn more about how to make more interesting blog posts and how to fully know whatever you need to know to create an amazing blog, just go through my playlist on YouTube. Here it is. You see every video is here. You can go through it and learn how to manage your blogger website. So we are going to select all this text, and then we have to change the font. So font type, then here are some default fonts that you can use. If you are not interested in this, click add more fonts, and you can choose any other font. For example, Inter. Select, then go back to fonts and select the font. Now it looks better. We are going to add a feature image on the top of this post. So come to the top of the post, click insert image, upload, browse, then choose an image. I'm going to use this one. I downloaded this image from freepik.com. You can always visit it to get some free no copyright images. You only have to attribute them. So once the image is uploaded here, now you can resize it, or even click on it, click on this settings icon and give it an alt text and a title text. So this is it. Now we can pick the labels. This will be used for grouping our posts. So I can make these ones like maybe autumn to be able to categorize all posts that have that same label. So this is not mandatory, however you can just leave it out, but it will be useful if you want to categorize your posts. Now let's click publish and confirm. Now this post will be available on our blog. You bring your cursor over here, you see this view icon, click on it to view the post in your blog. So now this is how it's looking like. When people come to view, they will actually see this. They can leave you a comment and they'll be able to see the categories down here as you selected. So when we come back to view blog to see our blog homepage, it now looks like this and has one post. You can go ahead and add more. Then afterwards, once you have created many posts, you can apply for AdSense monetization by going to earnings here, then connecting your AdSense account and being able to earn from your blog. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, leave a like, and if you're new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button.